We are continuing to track ongoing showers for you. This is the same storm system, by the way, that produced over 100 reports of not just some downed trees and power lines, but we had 3 reports in Louisiana yesterday of tornadoes that touched down, along with a 132-mile-per-hour wind gust. Are you kidding me? That may or may not have been closer to that tornado that touched down. We'll, of course, get more information, learn more information as the National Weather Service out that way continues to do their surveys. Meantime, though, if you're waking up with us in beautiful Biloxi over toward Mobile and beautiful Dolphin Island, let's zoom in. It's some light to moderate rain for you. Nothing severe right now, and I think that will keep things contained and really under severe limits, at least through the morning hours. However, by late morning, let's say 10, 11, then around lunchtime, and then after lunchtime, you add in some of that heat into the equation. Or think about having a pot of water on your stove, right? Right now, things are, lukewarm. But once you start to dial up that heat on the stove, you start getting the bubbles and you start getting the boiling. We're expecting that to happen atmospherically in this region. So southern parts of Georgia, northern parts of Florida, and southeast Alabama by the time we get to this evening. Why is that important? Because it's a Sunday fun day. And if your Sunday fun day plans include perhaps going out to dinner, maybe trying to catch a movie later on this evening, I need you to be weather aware and making sure that you're paying close attention to your weather app, your Fox weather app, because we have a 2 out of 5 level threat for seeing perhaps an isolated tornado or two. And again, keep in mind that this is a part of the same complex that has a history of producing tornadoes. We saw that on Saturday, so there's really no reason why this couldn't produce a couple more tornadoes later on. Timeline looks like this. I want to stop the clock around lunchtime, perhaps 1 to 2 p.m. Again, we're starting to dial up the heat. So daytime heating really going to influence these storms right here, screaming through Tallahassee, the state capital, and then eventually into parts of southwest Georgia, Albany, Valdosta, I-75, eventually into Macon, Warner Robins, and then screaming across I-16 towards Savannah, Tybee Island, and eventually Jacksonville. And by the time we get to 6, 7, 8 o'clock p.m., there's a very real possibility here, Melanie, that we could be talking about tornado-producing thunderstorms, and then that all moves through Orlando and Tampa late this evening. So a lot that we're going to be keeping our eyes on. Could be an active day in parts of the southeast.